To enable or disable voice access, require verbs on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. From here, we then tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on voice access. Next, go down and tap on settings. Then scroll down and tap on require verbs. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off require verbs for voice access. When you turn it on, for example, you can say tap or open for certain action. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.